Hi, is it your first time here? Do you want to learn 3D modeling and realistic rendering? Please click on the subscribe button and the bell to get notified for new uploads. Hi. My name is Moskarn Creations. This tutorial is about how to import Archicad file to Lumion. First, open your Archicad project. Open on 3D View tab. Go to File, Save As. On Save As type, select Collada file or .deg. Then save. Now, open Lumion. Then go to Object, Imports, Import New Model. On Format, select Collada file or .deg, then select your exported file, and open. Click on Check or Add to Library. Referring on your model. Click on the ground to add your model. Congratulations! You successfully imported your model from Archicad. Please comment below what made you interested on this video. If you have question, inquiry, or request, just leave a message. Please hit the like button and subscribe button to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching.